Interested in trading commodities, indices, or currencies with high leverage? Futures trading is available on Schwab but comes with significant risk and requires special approval. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. First, you must apply for futures trading permission in your account, which involves disclosing extensive experience and financial resources. Once approved, you can access futures markets through the Street Smart Hedge platform or the Think or Swim platform from TD Ameritrade integration. You'll need to understand tick sizes, margin requirements, and contract expiration. My crucial pro tip: paper trade futures extensively first. The leverage in futures can lead to rapid, substantial gains and losses. Use Schwab's paper money simulator to practice for months before committing real capital. Understand how to use stop-loss orders to manage risk before you begin. Approach this advanced market with extreme caution and preparation. What asset class draws you to futures, indices, commodities, or interest rates? For more guides on advanced derivatives, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you next time.